Use a piece of filament as a pin. Pre-install the springs into the magazine catch, the trigger, and the hammer. Lightly heat the end of each spring with a lighter, then gently press it into the corresponding slot. The heated spring will easily melt into place and hold securely. Use a piece of filament as a pin. Use a 13mm diameter spring as the main hammer spring, or simply a piece of standard notebook spiral binding. That's what I used. You will need a 10cm piece of notebook spiral, 13mm in diameter, with 0.9mm wire thickness. If you have a proper spring of the same size, that's, of course, a better option. For a detailed guide on how to paint the grips to look like real wood, watch my video. The link will be in the description.